I'm Dr. Ramona. We've just had a fantastic day this Saturday. We spent a full day learning about digital protocols for denture construction. We had a really fantastic group here today.
It was great to network, get to see how scanning works, and probably the best thing for me to is bringing my nurse to the course.
I really enjoy learning how to scan the denture and everything.
My favorite moment was that we could try the different models of the scanners and all the little secret tips that Ramona gave us. The whole team is very supportive, and I think that unless you try it manually, you don't know what to choose and whether that's going to be something that you will use every day.
So Dr. Ramona Seth was really, really good. She's quite fun, she's engaging. You can tell she's very passionate about her subject and she really, really cares.
Yes, I'd recommend the course.